This is the home security system. Please identify yourself. What is your name?
Poppy.
Poopy. Is that correct?
No.
Please state your name once again.
Poppy.
I'm sorry. We need further ID verification. Please hold your fingerprint up to the doorbell. I'm sorry. We now require a retina verification. Please place your eye close to the doorbell. Scanning. Scanning. Please do not blink. Scanning. Scanning. I'm sorry. Please switch to the other eye for retina verification. Scanning. Scanning. Thank you, Poppy. Please state the nature of your visit.
To deliver a package.
You said to drop off my mum. Is that correct?
I said to deliver off my package.
I'm sorry, I do not understand. Please try again in a Scottish accent.
I need to deliver a package.
I'm sorry. System malfunction. Please try again and speak louder.
I need to deliver a package.
Thank you. You are now too far away from the camera. Please come closer. Thank you. To prove you are not a robot, please sing a nursery rhyme of your choice.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Then came the rain and washed the spider out.
Thank you.
Out and dried up all the rain. Incy Spider could climb up the pole again.
Very close, but not good enough. Please show me the parcel. Scanning. Scanning. Warning! Warning! Suspicious package detected! Step away from the building! Goodbye.